We have some Commander Masters for our good friend Rottenagenda. I haven't seen this stuff in a while, so this is going to be fun. Let's see if we can get some cool stuff. Well, it's going to be cool regardless, but it's just like, oh my God. I forgot how cool the pack art is. Just look at this. It's so fun. Now, where were... I'm checking to see if these were printed in the USA or Japan, because that'll tell me where the foils will be. I think the US? Made USA. Okay. The inside of the pack are foiled, yes. Well, like, because the Japanese packs put all the rares in the front, and the English or the American ones don't.
Do you want the box?
Oh, do you want the box?
I'm gonna guess no, but never be too sure.
You never know.
No.
Okay. Just wanted to check before tossed it. Here's your token. Read the bones. Bonkin. Sky Shroud Claim. Scorpion. Jide Golem.
Hi, JOH.
Akiri. Fearless Voyager. That's a cool. That's actually, yeah, that's good. Old School Forest. Dread Return. Oh,
Sorry.
yeah. Ooh. Storm Clan Artist. Command Tower. That's really cool, even though it's a
Goat.
common considered. But yeah, this is just
Goat.
awesome. It's so useful.
Great for color fixing.
Yeah, Days Undoing. Oh, that's fun. So that's a good rare. And a Ship's Navigator. All right, cool. And a Regal Sliver. Because you can never have enough slivers.
Disgusting.
I love slivers. They're so
No.
fun. Oh, I take it you're not a fan of sliver decks. Or a Frost Fang. Snow creature. And Maelstrom Wanderer. That's cool. Creatures you control have haste. And Cascade, because why not?
Thank you, Bloomy. Thank you, Bloomy.
One man raid. Thanks, Bloomy.
Shout out, Bloomy, guys. Shout out, Bloomy. Our short king. My short king.
Elemental.
Doing well, Bloom. How we
Fleet
doing?
Commander.
It's Friday.
That's just an awesome name. If it wasn't for Bloomy, you wouldn't know what soccer was. Phyrexian Gargantuan. All right, yeah. Crash of Rhino Beetles. Oh, that would be terrifying. Skyline Despot. Clockwork Scholar. Nice Island. And another Command Tower. All right. Would take any day.
Take. Staple.
Factor Fiction. It's actually a pretty good card.
Oh, I love Factor Fiction. That is one of my favorite cards.
It's like, people sleep out like, oh, it's an uncommon. Like, no, this is really good. The Dynamo. Oh, yeah. Again, another good card. You're going to be trying to ramp up mana. This gives you some colorless. The Great Henge.
Great card.
Great card.
That is a really
Idol
good card.
of Oblivion. That is good. J.I.'s Phoenix. All right. The Grazer. All right. And ooh, this is
Oh, Macias.
oh my god, this is
Macias.
cool.
Great
Macias
card.
the unhollowed. I love
Great
how this
card.
looks. This looks textured, but
Macias
it's not.
is a great card.
It's such a good card. Whenever human deals damage to you, destroy it.
Yep.
So if they just happen to play an all-human deck, they are screwed.
Love Macias.
Yeah, it definitely looks textured. It's cool. And he has Intimidate, and other non-human creatures you control get +1/+1 and have Undying. Because why not? And on top of all that, he's a 5/5 for
I love Macias.
6 mana, which is expensive, but it's not. It's
this
not.
This is the textured foil.
Yeah, it's a textured foil version, so that's
Very nice. Take that. Take that. Ryan, do you play Commander, or do you play other formats? That's a sick Macias card.
I like it.
I'm a buyer.
Faithless Looting. Drown in Sorrow. All right, yeah.
Build cubes.
that is huge.
okay. That's fun.
Oh, that's cool. Build cubes. Meteor Golem. All right. Another swamp. Or I guess your first swamp. Generous gifts. Because who doesn't want an elephant? Faithless Looting. Elvish Mystic.
Mana Dork.
I think that's a good card. So
Mana Dork.
Mana Dork.
Yeah. You can tap it for mana. It's Mana Dork.
Oh, okay. I was like, huh?
Mana Dork. Mana Dork.
Predator.
Oh, baby. There we go. We got a medallion.
You got the medallion for blue.
Nice.
Abstract. That's yeah. See, some people like this card, some people don't.
No.
You have the
Macias.
other version of Macias,
Another
the
Macias.
non-textured.
Non-textured we take.
But we'll take it. Pure Steel Paladin.
Still a buyer.
I will still like this card. Whenever an enchanted and equipment enters the battlefield under your control, you may draw a card.
Love card draw.
Yep. Especially in Commander.
Especially in white.
Oh, in white too, yeah.
It's all the equipments.
Yeah. 450 draft form. Ooh. All right then. I have not played that. Not played Cube. Just take a second to actually admire the inside of the pack. It is actually pretty. Deadly Recluse. Classic staple kind of card. Reach, Death Touch. Because flying is painful. Fall from Favor. Bastion of Remembrance. Got a Plains. And everybody loves this card.
Counterspell. Everybody.
Counterspell.
Classic.
Classic card. Two blue mana. You can bluff your way out of most things. Love Counterspell. Another Elven Mystic, or as you called them,
Mana Dorks.
Mana Dorks. Nightblade, so that's cool. Token you control leaves battlefield. Each opponent loses 1 life and you gain 1 life. Definitely has its uses. Blood Tyrant. All right. Mill 3 card. Yeah.
I love Mill. I'm a Mill player.
Righteous Confluence. Good. This is a decent white card. Choose 3. You may choose the same mode more than once. So depending on your situation, for 6 mana or for 5 mana, you get some options. All right, that's not bad.
Deflecting SWAT.
Deflecting
Goat.
SWAT.
Goat. Nope. That is a thing. That is one of the greatest cards ever. Deflecting SWAT is a goat card.
You may choose. Oh yeah.
Yeah. No. Deflecting SWAT.
Yeah.
Really good.
Just ding, ding, ding.
You can ruin someone's big play and knock them out of the game with deflecting SWAT is a staple in any red deck. I love deflecting SWAT.
I actually just like the art, even without all that. Yeah. But like,
I love deflecting SWAT.
Ooh,
Obscuring Haze. That's
Obscuring
a sick
Haze.
card.
This is
textured?
nice. It looks like it's not textured, but it's definitely full art foil. I thought this was textured at first, but it doesn't look like it's textured.
Really good. It's a beautiful card.
This is beautiful, though. So definitely thanks a lot, Rotten. Again, like I said, I haven't seen Commander Masters in a bit. So that was definitely fun. Yeah, great pickups right there. Thanks a lot. We appreciate it.